How to check old chats in Snapchat? Follow this step. To begin, open the Snapchat on your phone. As soon as it opens, your camera screen will appear. From here, tap on the chat icon. Next, look through your chat list and open the conversation you want to revisit. Then scroll up within the chat. If you had saved any messages, you will be able to see them here. However, if the messages were not saved, Snapchat will automatically delete them. Now to check your old chat, first go back to the Snapchat home screen and click on the profile icon at the top left. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. After that, scroll down until you find the account action section. Under this, select my data. Furthermore, see the data request page. Here do the following thing. Check the boxes for user information and chat history and uncheck all the other options. Then click next. Now select the desired time period and ensure your email address is correct and click submit. Finally, open the email and download the file. Inside the file, you will find your old chats. By following this step, you can check old chats on Snapchat.